Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to look for the location in the riddle on the Genshin Impact Mobile. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to collect the quest from the Kaya on the headquarters, and if you already collect the quest, you can now go to the location in the riddle like this. Okay, all you need to do is you just need to follow the navigations on the mini maps, and I almost there. I almost arrive to the place that quest is ready, and now I will use my wind glider to finish my quest like this. And I want to check what is the location. And now I think I already arrived from on the locations, but the quest is not really done. I don't know why, or is it a bug or something, but I want to find out what I need to cross the river like this. I choose Ember because his stamina is so strong instead of the Lisa, Kaya, or my main character, the Casanova. And now you find the waypoint, and now you need to active the waypoint. Okay, so the quest is already done, and now you can get or do the next quest on this maps. Okay, so here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel. You haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.